Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning about the sweep cut feature by creating this pipe. So in the last lecture, we created our sweep. Now we want to cut the hole into the pipe. So the feature we are going to use to create that is the sweep cut. So the first thing we need to do is create our profile. So we can select any of this face. So we'll select this face and let's draw a sketch on that face. So our profile is just going to be that diameter of that cut. So we are just going to draw a circle, add a dimension to fully define it. We can give it 0.75 and accept our sketch. And next thing we need to draw is our path. But because we already created a path previously that we used to sweep this feature, we can use that path. So on the sweep one, click the drop down and your sketch 2 is the path. So you can right click to show it. So the eyeball, click on the eyeball to show. So we are showing that sketch. So what we will do next is just go into our feature tab. Then we will click the sweep cut. For our profile, we will select our circle. The path, we will select this line, which is our path for the previous sweep. So we'll select that and click OK. And that is how you create a sweep cut. So in this example, what we use is we created the same thing. We created a profile and we used our previous part that was created to cut the hole into our pipe. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.